Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. My friend is selling his 14-ounce twins boxing gloves, still in good condition. So for all you big boys out there who are the heavy ones, 14 ounce or 12 ounces for you. It's also good in sparring. So if you want to buy this, just send me a message. You're probably thinking I'm not wearing anything, but the truth is I'm wearing an invisible leather shirt. Look at this. It's Filipino leather. If you know the story of the Emperor's New Clothes, sort of kinda like that. Look. Filipino invisible brown leather shirt. That's what I'm wearing. It may not look like I'm not wearing anything, but that's what I want you to believe. But the truth is I'm wearing this Filipino leather shirt. Filipino leather. It's hard, but it's smooth and not hairy. So it's Filipino leather shirt, invisible shirt. Anyways, if you want to buy this, just send me a message. More blessings to all of us. I arrived home late again tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Boss Kudsgo and Boss Jen Sapin, for our training. I'll sleep early because you two are so strong. I need to be alert, ninja alert, cat-like alert, or raccoon. I need raccoon reflexes. Okay, more blessings to all of us. If you want the gloves, just send me a message.